guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video today. We're going to be opening up the Skyness electric massage gun brought to you by Run Run Deals. And if you didn't know this already, Run Run Deals has a really great app, and if you download it you can get access to exclusive offers on products a lot like the one that we're going to be opening up right now. So let's check it out. Okay, so this looks so professional, so heavy duty. It has digital display, 11 speed, 2 modes, long battery life, metal heat sink, 6 massage heads, high torque brushless motor, and ultra quiet and premium quality. Oh wow guys, it comes in its own fancy little case with a handle. Wow, so legit. So it comes with the massage gun itself, an instruction manual, a list of all the muscles of the body, and trigger points, so that way you know exactly how to use it. How cool is this? And it tells you all types of muscles on the body and how you should move the gun to most effectively massage them and give them that therapy. So this is really useful. So this is a case. This is like a very nice velvety case to put all the heads in. Love that. And it has this little cubby pouch. Really, really cool. Charger, so you just charge it. The display screen, very nice and shiny. Oh wow, so right when you turn it on, it's going. Really, really awesome, you guys. Like, actually feels incredible. I'm really into fitness, so I've been needing one of these for I couldn't even tell you how long. So this is literally great on any muscle of the body. It just feels so nice. This is awesome, you guys. Okay, let's press the button. So this center button is how you turn it up, and then you just hold it down for when you want to turn it on and off. You guys, this is amazing. Like, I'm really excited to start using this after my workout. Really, really awesome massager. High quality, super smooth. Like, this thing is amazing. And all these different heads. It comes with a little pointed one, a bigger kind of rubbery, more rounded one, a kind of harder one, and then one of these to go like, you know, neck. You guys, this is so awesome. Cannot wait to use it. Make sure you go get yours from Run Run Deals.